Hello again, and here we are. It is Sunday, November 4th, 2018, approximately 4 p.m. Eastern, and it's time to do the drill and bits giveaway. Now, originally I said I may publish this on Saturday, November 3rd, but we just got back from Hawaii from about 9 days, and the 6-hour time difference, they're 6 hours behind Eastern time, it's been a little bit taxing on us, so you're getting it on Sunday. Also, my little guy is playing in the background, so if you hear any weird noises, like hammering right there, that's him. He's excited to see us, and I'm not going to make him go upstairs. And also, you'll notice we published some videos while we were gone. There was 3 of them, I think, starting with the 57 Chevy. I did not work on videos while we were in Hawaii. Those were scheduled. So what I do is upload them to YouTube, schedule them for a time to publish, and that's how those came to be. So if you didn't see any replies and comments for a little while, that would be the reason why, but I did try to break out the phone and comment here and there. Now, speaking of comments, on this particular video, I did not reply to any comments because I did not want to mess up the drawing or the giveaway. So if I would post a comment, that would count as another comment, and didn't want to do that. So I may comment on all those comments, and I read them all. A lot of great comments in there. That's the reason why we did not respond today or last week, because it will interfere with the giveaway. And here are the comments. We got 214. Now I manually looked, and there are some duplicates or some duplicate users commenting, and the rules were only once. Now you'll still be eligible, it's just only one comment's going to count. It's just the way it's going to work. And originally we were going to do random.org, where we took all the comments. So let's say there's 210, whatever the number is, actual comments. Put the number in random.org, and it would select a number. So if you commented the 180th time, I'd have to manually go and count your comment, what number it was, and then select it that way. We're going to do something a little bit different. We found this random comment picker right here, and it works pretty easily. I actually looked at a few channels, saw them use it, and it looks like it's awesome. So we paste our URL in there. And then we can filter out duplicate users. So instead of manually have to do that, I can just click that, hit search, and it should give me the total number of comments. So 208. I think I said 210, so I was off a little bit, but 208 unique commenters. That means they only commented once. And then after we got that, we'll hit start. And this should randomly select a comment if it works correctly. And there it does. So Larry D. Wells, you are the winner, and your comment is awesome. So awesome for you, Larry. Now, Larry, what I'll do is I'll reply to your comment, and then we'll have to get together that way. Unfortunately, YouTube doesn't have the PM or the private message capability anymore, so I'm going to have you reply to my comment to let me know that's you, and then you'll have to email me or give me your email. Going to work something like that, because I don't want somebody else emailing me claiming to be Larry. I'll go ahead and reply to your comment within the video of the giveaway, and then we'll get this sent off to you. And hopefully we'll be doing some other giveaways throughout the channel outside of Patreon. I think I explained that all before, so look for those sprinkled throughout the months to come. And if you have any questions or comments, post those below. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.